Okay, I'm rolling.
Woo. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Teeter GT video. We just took the tarp off of Houdini 2.0. The weather is feeling really good today. It's not looking so nice. The sun was out earlier, but it went away. However, though, it's 50 degrees.
It's 7 p.m. Friday. It's 95 degrees.
End of February, and we're gonna be bringing y'all a nice install video. The guys over at Oxito has sent me over some LED fog lights to sponsor this video, and we're gonna be throwing these onto Houdini 2.0. After that, we're also gonna give this car a wash because it's looking freaking horrible. We're actually gonna drive the car a little bit today too. The car has not moved in like a whole month, so I'm excited to get it on the road, get a wash, get some things going and flowing, and install some nice LED fog lights. Our original fog lights that we had on this car are completely dead. So Oxito has sent these over in the right time. Firstly, guys, I'm gonna jack the car up in order to get underneath by the GT500 bumper, the front end. We got our original bulbs from Amazon here that we're gonna replace with the Oxito LED fog lights. These bulbs right here, guys, they died on me literally in probably about 6 months. So we're gonna take this one out and also on the other side, and I'm gonna show you guys underneath. So the model for these LED lights are, I have the 5202H16 model size for these fog lights. If you have the GT500 conversion, this is the model size that you're gonna go with. If you don't have the GT500 conversion, you're gonna go with the 5201H16. And as we can see here, these things are looking nice and luscious. We have 2 LED strips on each side of the LED light. I just jacked the car up. I'm gonna turn it on and show you guys what it looks like. One fog light does not work. Oh, it does. It kind of is working, but it's flickering. I don't know if you guys can see. But if we get really close up here, there's some LED strips in there that are not working. It's only working on the bottom end. Our other side is barely even on. It's like a losing its life there. It's not on. There's 2 push pins to take the bulb out. I'm gonna push them in now, and I think I should be able to push those both in and bring this bulb out. Nice. Yeah, with the original bulbs that I had, literally 2 pieces right there. You push them and pull out. This is the original harness for the GT500 conversion that you guys will need if you already don't have it. So we got the Oxito LED bulb and literally connected right up on into the harness. It's gonna click right in. Before we install it, we're gonna turn the light on from inside the car.
On.
Alright, putting the Oxito bulb, LED bulb light in, and it's gonna go in the 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock position with the LED strips. Perfect. Okay. I heard those 2 clicks. It's locked tight in. Let's try to do this without jacking the other side up. If I can just get my hand back there and reach. I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it calling in the air all night. Dun, dun, dun. Fuck, where is it? I'm trying to find the hole and just can't fucking find the hole. It's the hole. God dang. I found it. I'm gonna push this in, bring it out. It's stuck in there. I'm hoping these things will last me way longer than these freaking Amazon bulbs that died on me. All right, now we just connected the harness in there and we're ready to reinstall. All right, that's in there. We're good. Are they on? Yeah, those bad boys are on for sure. I've been wanting to change these for a long time. And they are bright, and my LED housings are dirty. We definitely are about to give this car a wash. There's a wrench on my dash.
There's a snake in my boot.
Hopefully it goes away. I think it should definitely go away for sure. Wrench is no bueno. Haven't started this car in a whole month. Also, we have Alexa recording for me.
Hey.
If y'all are wondering where my shirt came from, some of y'all were asking. She and my other friend got it for me, photographers, for my birthday. She's gonna be filming. I just turned the car off and then turned it back on and the wrench is gone. I tried to accelerate with the car and it wouldn't go. Now I have acceleration now. So I just turned the car off and turned it back on. I knew there was with the wrench. So obviously if you see a wrench, like that is no bueno. I didn't move the car for like a whole month, and the last time I moved it, it was perfectly fine. So I know it happened to me once. So I just turned the car off, turned it back on, and now it's just gone. So I just think it's because it's been really freaking cold out here in Chicago, and we're good now.
Make your face like just for the you could use it for the thumbnail. Make a face.
No, that's like, no, I'm not making no face. I don't do that shit, man. Only like, I don't know. We'll try to capture a thumbnail now.
Look at the camera, maybe.
Alright y'all, that's gonna wrap it up for the quick install of these Auxito LED lights. They offer a whole bunch of LED lights for your cars, your trucks, your SUVs. I'll leave a link down in the description below for this special product. These lights are looking amazing. I love LED fog lights on the GT500 front end or any Mustang front end that you have. If you have the halogen, the yellow, bold, ugly fog lights, you definitely need to switch over to some LED fog lights. They'll match up with your LED strip headlights right here. And not only will they match up, but it'll make your car stand out and look badass, man. Sometimes I even just like rolling through the streets just with my fog lights on and not even my headlight. Just these two strips right here. It looks completely badass. You got the kids outside playing basketball. Like when the weather, it's still snowing, you guys can see, but when the weather breaks, everybody's excited to get outside. It's night now. And I'm excited to drive this thing, man. I haven't heard of this car in like a whole month. I'm excited as a motherfucker right now. It literally sounds like I just installed headers all over again. Alright guys, also just noticed that the housing that I have in here is fogged up really bad. So I gotta take the housing out, clean it, just like you would do glasses, so that the clarity of the light will pop out really good, just like our headlight we have right here. Because there's like no water in there, but there's water in there. That's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Shout out to Alexa for helping me out for today's video. We're both professional photographers, do a lot of photography work, and she helps me with a lot of other work with my business. And we are filming on a new camera right now just for these car wash clips, and this clip currently right here. It's a Canon R5C. I have two professional cameras now that I utilize. Maybe I might utilize this camera some more once I dial in all the settings to get right. But shout out to Auxito for sending us over the LED fog lights for Bugini 2.0. Make sure you guys check them out in the link down in the description below. Other than that, man, we'll catch you guys in the next video coming soon because the weather is getting better. It's popping. Make sure you guys stay on the grind, make that money because the spring and the summertime is right around the corner. Work that overtime, get that dough. We'll catch you in the next video. Let's get it.